Hello. So in this video, I'm gonna show a little bit of a more of a complex setting here, where I'm gonna add a logic step and create a decision tree. Okay, a simple one, just for the sake of the video. Hopefully, you watch the videos with some level of sequence, but just to give us a little context, we've created a flow. We've added some steps. We've shown how to test it in the live URL. We've then added some new steps, new things to do, and we've changed some images. So we customized briefly the flow. So just to finish these examples here, we're going to add a level of complexity, and we're going to add and speak about triggers. So triggers and conditions is where we then take the power of the decision tree engine behind Biometrid and add a level of automation and automated decision making to great levels. So let's add here the rule that if, for the sake of video, there is a Portuguese citizen, so they say in the form where they state their country, we get the result of a value country, and we're gonna choose Portugal. All right, so I'll try to explain what I did. So basically the condition is that has to be met is that in the form, which is that step, the initial step, there's a question called country, or what's your country or nationality. The way, then we can change the copy as we want. But basically, if it says that the country value in that form equals to Portugal, then something happens, okay? And what we want to happen is a new step. We haven't built yet. So let's save, and it will branch out into the right. And we want this first step, if it's a Portuguese citizen, we want to greet them, and we want to enroll them using a live agent video conference. So we want to add this action here to the flow, rather. So just so you understand what's going on, if it's any other nationality within this example, they will go through form, document validation, proof of liveness, and then signing a contract. Whether if this is a Portuguese citizen, they will skip all these steps as for the moment, and they will go through the video conference, where they can also go through a document validation procedure. They can also have proof of liveness is the actual live conversation, but they can go through a facial comparison between the live person attending the conversation, the video conference, and the match between the image extracted from the document validation. And they can also, we can also request for proof of ownership of a phone. So not to get into a lot of the actions possible with the video conference, that's for another video. But just so you understand that if there's a person calling, saying that it's for a Portuguese citizen, it will go through this. And then I can go on and ask a different thing, such as, for example, I can request that they go through a digital signature. If it's a Portuguese citizen, we can actually have an integration with a digital token, which is a qualified digital signature. And let's say CND signature, and off they go with their own different structure. So it now, if you see here on the right, it doesn't allow me to save because I haven't configured this. For the sake of the video, I will not enable this for now, because I really want you to see then what happens when we live test it. So it's saved, okay? We're now gonna run this process again, so basically to reset what we've done, alterations we've done with the flow. And so let's say that, well, you have seen the videos before and you see that it goes from form to document verification. And now let's say, let's input in the form that I am a Portuguese citizen. All right. I could do this in Portuguese as well, but to keep consistent here. So form, let's put in my, at the moment, I'm going to just put in some dummy data, and I'm going to choose Portugal. If all is all right, I should now be prompted to schedule a video conference. All right. There you go. So it's a setting I haven't configured, but basically here I can start immediately or I can schedule something in the future. Okay. So if I now go back to previous step, and instead of Portugal, I'm going to say Albania this time. All right. And I'm going to be going through in a different direction where I'm going to be asked to perform a document validation scan. All right. As simple as it is. Hopefully this brought some ideas. This is just a simple example. Hopefully you find your use case for this branching and this automation logic tree. All right. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye-bye.